is Danelle Busey from Mountain Ridge Middle School. I'm the librarian here, and I had the privilege of being a part of the Beautiful Tomorrow Assembly. I watched our kids have fun. It was high energy, and I felt like there was just this sincere message of hope, truth, and real practical ways for kids to have a beautiful tomorrow. My favorite part of the assembly was when Humble let the kids come down and they linked arms and they were just dancing and just having a really good time. And I just saw a lot of camaraderie. I saw kids just, really just feeling free to just enjoy the music and to really love on their fellow classmates. And it was just a really great time of community. I would definitely encourage other teachers, principals, county administration to invite a beautiful tomorrow into their schools. It is a great way just to kick off community in a school and just let kids see real positive influences that can really change the course of their year.
Be beautiful.